Hi, I've got a great video for you on how to save money. One way to save money on car insurance. You are not going to want to miss this because we're going to do a deep dive into usage-based insurance. And if that's not a familiar term to you, maybe you've heard of telematics, probably that's a less familiar term to you, but you've probably seen commercials for Progressive Snapshot or Allstate DriveWise. Most of the big car insurance companies will have some kind of usage-based program, and that's what we're going to talk about today. But before we get started, if you're thinking about car insurance and you're looking into programs to save money, I have something for you. Head on over to FreeAdvice.com because they have a quote comparison tool in there that will get you many quotes at once. We're going to dig into that at the end. I'll run you through it. But if you just want to skip all this and head right over to there and just kind of get some quotes to get an idea of how much you could save, head on over there. FreeAdvice.com. You're going to enter your zip code, a couple other questions, and you're going to get car insurance quotes from many different places. But now, for the Insurance Information Institute, this is one of the best resources on insurance, and they have published a guide, kind of an informational guide to usage-based insurance. And so we're going to just scroll through this quickly, and you'll see that it explains here right at the beginning what is telematics. Telematics, usage-based. It is a way for the insurance company to monitor your driving. So you see over here, sometimes you can use smartphone apps. That's really popular because most people, the vast majority of people, have a smartphone. Or another option is a plugged in or hardwired devices. There are pros and cons to each. Some people just don't want to have monitoring on their phone because they don't want the car insurance company. They're afraid that maybe they're going to take more information than just their driving information, whereas something that's plugged right into your car is only going to be able to take driving information. But for different reasons, people choose one or the other. Some car insurance companies only offer one option. Most offer either option. So you don't have to be in a usage-based program. It is up to you. As you see here, it's voluntary. Now the question is, what do you get in exchange for sharing this information? You don't want to just be giving away all of your habits without getting some kickback. And so the whole point of joining into a usage-based program is to get a discount. We're going to actually look at some of the discounts that you can get from different insurance companies. I have this informational graphic here, and you'll see that a lot of companies will give you savings just for signing up. So that you could be a terrible driver and you'll still get that discount for signing up. So this first column here of numbers, the first column of numbers is going to be your sign up discount. And then this column over here is going to show you how much you can save as a maximum. So to save that much, you have to have really good driving habits. And we'll go into that, what kind of stuff they monitor. We'll go into that in a little bit. But just so you can see why this is such a great way to save. So over here we have the company name and then what their program's called. So I had already mentioned Allstate and DriveWise. With Allstate, you get a 3% discount just for signing up. 3% is 3%. It's not the highest, as you'll see, but you know, it's still something. And then you can save up to 15% if you're a really good driver. American Family has Miles My Way. With that, there's a 5% sign up discount, and then you can save up to 20%. Now, Geico has their Drive Easy program. You don't get a discount just for signing up, but you can save up to 20%. Now, Metro Mile is based the whole way they sell insurance is really heavily dependent on your usage. And so it's not surprising to see that you can save up to 60%. That's kind of the point of Metro Mile, is that based on how few or many miles you drive, how well you drive, you can save a lot. Then we have Progressive. Now, Progressive, you don't get a percentage discount for signing up, but you do get a $25 discount for signing up for their Snapshot. They kind of led the way in the usage-based programs. They're the ones that people heard of first. They really marketed their, originally when they did it, it was only through a device that you plugged into your car, because they've been doing it so long. They were doing it before everybody had smartphones. Then State Farm has a Drive Safe and Save, the Hartford, TrueLane, Travelers, IntelliDrive, and USAA Safe Pilot. And with each of those, you can get a discount for signing up and then a discount for how you drive. All right, now we're going to switch back over to the III, Insurance Information Institute article here to kind of learn a little bit more about telematics programs in general. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit here, talking about insurance rates, how these programs help you save money. Then the real question is, saving money. That is obviously what we're here for. We're here to help you save money. And like I said, head on over to FreeAdvice.com. Get on your way to saving money with their comparison tool. You're going to answer some questions, and then you're going to get some quotes, a lot of quotes. It's going to be great. You could save a lot of money. So another benefit to these usage-based programs is that it can actually help drivers drive better. It's like when you know someone's watching you, you do better. Knowing that your driving is being monitored and actually good driving could save you money has a tendency to help you drive better. And as you can see here, 45% of drivers said they made significant safety-related changes in the way they drove after they participated in a telematics program. And then an additional 35% said they made small changes in how they drive. So that goes along with the savings. When you choose to drive safer, you become a better driver. That's why the insurance company can offer you lower rates. So there's the privacy concerns. Some people just do not want somebody monitoring what they're doing. That's understandable. If that's how you are, you don't have to participate in these programs. Now, I promised you that I'd go through how to get a quote. So I'm going to click over here, FreeAdvice.com. You see right here, easy to find, FreeAdvice.com. And there's this quote, insurance quote generation tool. So you figure out what you want, which we're talking about auto insurance. Click on that. I'm just going to walk you through some of the steps. And then here I'm saying, yep, auto insurance, that's what I want. There's a drop down menu. You can actually compare all of those. So this is a great tool. And then in here, I'm just going to put in my zip code and compare rates. And you'll see how easy this is. It's going to ask your vehicle year. I'm going to choose 2024. That's not actually, I'm driving an old vehicle, but I'm going to choose that. Let's go Honda. These are all easy questions. You don't have to actually type anything in. So far, I've typed in my zip code. That's it. Other than that, I'm just clicking on options that are given to me. I've got an Odyssey. It's owned, and that's gonna. Each question is going into their. It's going into their formulation for getting quotes for you. Now, there are a few questions. And they don't take that long. It's no big deal. But could you imagine answering these questions for 20 different car insurance companies? It gets old. This way, you answer these questions one time, and then you get your quote from all those different companies. So it saves so much time to do it this way than to do it with every different company that you want to compare. So this will go on. You can see I'm 20% done here. There's going to be a few more questions. You're going to answer them, but just remember, you're answering these one time. You can answer these one time. And then you're going to get your quotes. So it's easy. It's free. FreeAdvice.com. Go to their quote generation tool. One thing I wanted to add about usage-based insurance is that most companies offer you a discount for signing up, and most will give you a discount for driving, but you have to be a good driver. They're going to look at how you brake, how you accelerate, the time of day you're driving, the number of miles you're driving, and they're going to then use all those factors to determine your risk. And so somebody that drives only during daylight hours, they always drive the speed limit, they don't do hard braking, they accelerate slowly, they're going to get the best discount. Somebody that drives late at night, tends to drive over the speed limit, is an aggressive driver with hard braking and fast acceleration, they may not get a discount at all. But what you have to watch out for is not every company guarantees a discount. So don't sign up for this program unless you know you're a good driver and you're going to get a discount, or you know that you can get a discount just for signing up and you're not going to be penalized. A couple of the companies will actually increase your rates if you practice bad driving habits. So before you join the program, make sure that you're not going to end up paying more. That is not what we want for you. So most of them you won't end up paying more, but make sure you know that before you sign up. Well, that is it for today. Like I said, head on over to FreeAdvice.com. It is easy, it's quick, it's going to save you a lot of time, and you might save a lot of money. So stick around on our channel. Check out some of our other videos. We have a lot of helpful content out there for you. And have a great day.